Let's add a title here to the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a size of maybe about 100 to begin with, just to see. And example movie 2. I'm not that creative. And say, yeah, that's fine. And drag it in here. Probably should have made that a little bit bigger. Select all of it and bring it up. Okay, think that's good. And what am I using here for my font? Okay, Britannic Bold. And I think I have it set for italics. Turn that off, but I think I might make the number 2 italicized, and on top of that I'm going to make it big. There we go. Awesome. Let's also change the color of this. What we're going to do is, I think example is going to be darker red, and we're going to make this more of a yellow. Example movie. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Excellent. So there it is in the spot that we want. All right, and obviously you add in the things that you'd like to do. You can increase the size of different different letters in there, something like that. The other thing that I really like to do is I do like to play around with these settings. So for instance, if I want to increase the size of one of the letters, or even just sort of the width even of one letter there, and this one as well. Maybe increase the size so I can get it to be about the same as the E, and play around with that all day.